Guys, great news. The stock market is crashing hard. Bitcoin is crashing hard. Seems like everything's about to bust up. This is why it's a great news, is because we need the markets to crash so we can have a homeostasis of our economy. The economy is all jacked up. We have hyperinflation. I don't want the Fed to cut the rates because that just means more inflation, guys. We're in a loop. We need to pay the reaper. If we don't pay the reaper, this chaos is going to continue going up. House prices are going to continue going up. Stock prices are going to continue going up. The cost of goods are going to continue going up. So what we need is a major correction. We need a major crash to make everything normal. But unfortunately, Big Brother and corporate America won't allow the crash to happen for many years. They printed out money, did a 0% interest rate. They give out people free money. Whatever you can name it, dude. They closed down the court systems, anything they could to make money, to make the system prop up. But I think it's time to pay the reaper because, the people are suffering. So we have basically two choices. We can continue with the party and keep lowering interest rate, and we're going to have civil unrest in America because people can't afford their stuff. Or B, we will have to have a major crash, major correction in the stock market, in the real estate, everything, dude, needs to come back down because there's going to be two types of pain. Either direction is pain. One is the pain of hyperinflation and eventually the crash of the dollar. The other is more pain, and the dollar is going to crash anyways, regardless. Any way you look, guys, the way I see it is the dollar is not going to be the kingpin forever. The time for that is over, okay? Now, we have an opportunity for the dollar to still survive if we have a major crash. But if they keep printing money, keep lowering interest rate, then the dollar will have hyperinflation, and the dollar will just be non-existent because people around the world are starting to wake up with what's going on. So great news. The market is crashing. I'm super stoked about it. I'm ready for it to crash even more, guys. It needs to crash for us to have, a somewhat normal life in America, guys, okay? Because this debt, the debt society we live in is just a joke, dude. It's just a joke. Everyone that thinks they're rich, they're just really in debt. And so no one's really truly wealthy because they're all negative. So if you're a millionaire, you're in debt hundreds of millions. If you're a $100,000er, you're in debt hundreds of thousands. If you're billionaire, then you're in debt at billions of dollars. So the system is all corrupt. They have everyone believing that you can go negative and still be positive, whatever that means. Peace, guys.